ready to unlock the secrets of your website's performance. First, let's get set up with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. If you don't have a Google Analytics property set up, go to the Google Analytics website and get that started. Follow the steps there to create your account. If you don't have one, make sure you already have a Google Tag Manager account set up as well. Once logged into both, it's time to connect the two. Begin in Google Analytics, navigate to the admin panel and select data streams here. Select the type of stream you're setting up for your website. Once you select your stream, locate your measurement ID, which is the unique ID code provided by Google Analytics. This is what tells Google Analytics where to send your data. Now, let's jump over to Google Tag Manager. In Tag Manager, go to the Tags section and click to add a new tag. In the Tag Configuration section, which opens right after you add a new tag, select Google Analytics GA4 Configuration and then paste your measurement ID from Google Analytics into the designated field. Now, in the triggering section, determine where you want this tag to fire. Choose all pages to track all traffic on your website. Finally, make sure to name your tag in the upper left. Now submit the tag. Finally, hit submit, and that's it. Give it some time, and you'll start seeing data populate within Google Analytics. Using these two tools in Confluence will revolutionize your ability to see how customers interact with your site.